Our forests and forest birds are under stress. These stressors include climate change, white-tailed deer overabundance, invasive species, and much more. Birds like golden-winged warbler, American woodcock, and wood thrush have all experienced dramatic population declines in the last 50 years. Luckily, we know what the heart of the issue is, and we're working to address it.
One of the biggest drivers of forest bird population decline is lack of forest diversity. The chestnut-sided warbler can't survive in an only mature forest with just tall trees. It needs young forest to thrive. Unfortunately, across the Northeast, young forest habitat is not nearly abundant enough to support the birds that depend on it. Creating and maintaining healthy and diverse forest habitat calls for human intervention. At sites across the Northeast, Audubon is working with land managers, young conservationists, and family woodland owners to improve forest health.
One family woodland owner that we worked with to improve habitat on their property left some slash after a harvest. And the next season, they had an ovenbird nesting within that slash. The landowner was very excited to see the ovenbird, to find the nest, which is really, really hard to do, which is so exciting to see results like that, to see the bird respond to management that we recommended to them. The thing to remember is that conservation is ongoing. There really isn't a finish line. Our forest-dependent birds will always need these safe spaces to nest and raise their young. It's up to us to ensure that after they make the 1,000-mile-plus journey every spring, that they have the food and habitat they need to nest and survive. Steep declines in population over the past 50 years tell us that there's something wrong with the places that birds need. Our forests are always changing, but they can change for the better with our help. So if you're a maple syrup producer interested in improving the habitat in your sugar bush, if you're a hunter interested in creating amazing habitat for recreation, or if you're a bird lover and you just want to see as many birds as possible on your land, there's something you can do, something that we can all do together. We can create the kind of quality habitat that birds need and that helps people too. From flood prevention to carbon sequestration, healthy northeastern forests are essential to all of us. What really makes me smile is knowing that all the work I'm doing will help the birds have the food and habitat they need to nest and survive.